like about Bangladesh is people just stand in front of you and stare at you. Hey guys. Okay. Ghana. Okay. Should we get off and explore this town? Famous for its fish. Someone's been hit by a stick. There's a man hitting everyone with a stick. Thank you, boss. Take care. Bye-bye. Hey, hit him. Hit him. Hit him. Welcome to a very noisy town in Bangladesh. Is there anywhere in Bangladesh that isn't hectic? There's just trip hazards everywhere, people in your way. Oh, fish. Oh. I'm not sure I would eat fish from this river. I saw dead cows. I saw pollution everywhere. There's a dog having a shit in the river.